How to fix Instagram music not showing on Instagram notes. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you don't have this music option available on your Instagram notes. Instagram has brought out an update recently where it allows you to add music on your notes. So if you don't have this option, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your Instagram is up to date. Head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If you have an update button available here, just tap on update. But if you don't, it's alright. You can refresh your app once again. You want to head over back to your profile and take a screenshot of this page where you don't see the music option right here. And once you do that, just go back and then head over to your settings. So once you are inside your settings, just scroll down until you see Help Center. So just tap on Help, and from here you can report a problem. So you can continue to report the problem, and you can include or don't include the screenshot. You can upload your screenshot from right here, so just tap on upload and upload the screenshot. So as you can see, I have uploaded the screenshot right here. And then from here you can describe a short problem saying that your Instagram music is not available on Instagram notes, and after that Instagram's help and support team will reach out to you within a day or two and bring you a possible solution. And that's how you can fix this problem.